Hello, sixth graders. This is the overview of the week 2 assignments that I have posted. So, as you already know, the new topic for science is now outer space. This week is going to focus on the moon. I did, however, post a review video that just reviews some of the key concepts from last week. There are two sessions this week. Session 1 includes a famous astronomer assignment. You'll find that assignment on Google Classroom. This is kind of similar to the Today in Sciences that we would do when we were actually in school. Then also for session 1, there is a reading passage. I did do more videos of me going through some stuff this week. So if you're not able to see all the videos or see all the documents, make sure that you're emailing me and letting me know. But I did for both the readings this week. I made videos of myself actually reading through the information. If you want to listen to that, you can. I kind of add some additional information. There's a couple times where I help you out with some of the questions that are on Skyward, but make sure that you are answering those Skyward questions as you're doing the reading or as you're listening to the video. So for the session 1 reading, there are, I think, 5 questions on Skyward that you should answer as you read. And then there is a moon phase video for session 1 also, so you should watch the video. And then there's a Google Classroom assignment that goes along with that video. For session 2, there is another famous astronomers assignment on Google Classroom. And then there's a Newsela article reading that I have posted. I made a video of myself reading through that one also. And then for that, there is some Skyward questions. For that one, there's only 3 questions on Skyward, but again, you should be answering the questions as you're reading. So it should be fairly easy, pretty similar to what we used to do when we actually met in person during the year. So then also for session 2, there is a lab that I want you to try to do this time. For the lab, I did attach a lab sheet that just gives directions for how to do it, but the point of the lab is for you to get an idea of why we see different phases of the moon. Make sure that you do everything in the order that it comes in, because the last thing that you're doing is a lab where you're doing a little demonstration. I do give some advice on how to do that lab in the video that I made as I read the Newsela article. So definitely make sure you're just following the order of the assignments. For that lab, all I want you to do is just take a picture of yourself doing the lab or a video of yourself doing the lab and email it to me, and that's how I'll check that in. All of the assignments for sessions 1 and 2 are due by next Monday, so you have 7 days to complete them. Starting next Monday is when I will start going through and grading that stuff. Technically, we don't have school on Monday or Friday, so you should finish them before Friday. But I made the due dates for all the assignments for April 13th, I believe. I think that's next Monday. Once you get done looking at this video, you have to do this by Thursday. You have to do the attendance check. So that's linked to this overview document. Just click on the link, answer the couple questions, and then you'll be counted as present for attendance. But remember, you do have to actually do the assignments. So good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. And that's it for this.